on those days you don't want to do things. It's easy to conquer when it's good weather, you got good sleep. Those are the easy days to conquer. But who are you on those days? You're sore, you're miserable. Those people who get up on those days and still grind, that's the separator right there. Stay hard.
Tommy showed these monsters who's balls. Run up on a real motherfucker and get tossed. The game is deep and thicker than a motherfucking Jimmy. Broke hoes running around yelling, Gimme. I can't stand it. Hoes talking about they got a man. Shit, all I wanted to do was suck my stack. So how about hitting the motherfucker on my page? Busy now, bitch, but you could give me the pussy later. Fly, I'm a fader. Played her like a game of Sega. Fucking with the player that made her. And I ain't sleeping, caught you creeping for my money. Got the funkin', now you get the for my money. So get the bows out, knocking hoes back. Keep my nose stacked, so where the motherfucking hoes at? Punk niggas can't fade to Mac. Living fat, get paid to rap. It's like that. Yeah. So what you want? Yeah. So what you let's get ready so to rumble now. So what you want? Yeah. So what you want? Yeah. So what you let's get ready to rumble now. We at now. We at now.
Hands up like it's 12 noon.
Hey, Holyfield, you next.
Cinderella man, Cinderella, Shady Dane came to rap the game.
We at now. Hey, Holyfield, you next.
Most of you say you want to be successful, but you don't want it bad. You just kind of want it.
Wasn't ready to be no millionaire. I was ill prepared. I was prepared to be ill though. The skill was there. The beginning, it wasn't about the ends. It was about busting raps and standing for something. Rap an acronym, cut the ends. If you're happy, I'm guzzling back again with another anthem. I stop when it doesn't have to end. It ain't over till I say it's over. Enough when I say enough. Throw me to the wolves and close the gate up. I'm afraid of what'll happen to them wolves. When the thought of being thrown into an alligator pit, I salivated it. Raise up, hands up like it's 12 noon. Nah, homie, hold them bitches straight up. Wait until you dislocate a rotator cuff. Came up rough, came to ruffle feathers. Now he goes, I ain't deflating. No last chance to make this